for today. So we ended up yesterday with an inside bar on the daily and pretty much off a level. The swing low here is my level, and you can see we flirted with it in the past. We sort of closed on it last week, and yesterday we opened on a low and closed on a high. So for me, this thing is going up. Next target is pretty much the gap. Okay, so if we come down to the 3 hour, you'll see what looks like a bit of a wedge forming here. But if you put your lines in, you'll see it is a channel. Okay, so don't be too surprised to see it come back and then move to the upside. Now, the reason why I reckon back, there is fractal here, fractal here, fractal there, fractal there. So you can see all these tails are pretty much where the sellers were in and where the buyers were buying off. We didn't test this level. Okay, so this is 3237. So we came through, we broke, we tested it there, broke up, came back down, tried to test, rejected it, and now we've broken through. So I would expect another retest of it here. I'm just going to take these diagonals off because they're just going to add confusion to the chart. Pull this to the middle. And what we're looking for is an opportunity to buy. So we're above the moving average at the moment, looking for a pullback onto structure. The closest structure that I have right now, let's use this level, is this inside tail and this inside tail here. Okay, there is a new one now which has been formed, which is pretty much this area here, and we have closed above it. So the first opportunity is in the region where we are now. Prefer it to come down a little bit more, opportunity to buy, and then opportunity to move up. Okay, I don't think this double top here played out. I suppose it would be a little bit more comforting if it did play out. Nope, it didn't play out. Well, it could still play out, so just bear that in mind as well. So we could still have a second move down, and that second move would be something like that. Okay, and if I put the double top into play, that drops us below the double top. But that double top target, you can see how nicely it's setting up for this gap close here, pretty much. Okay, anyway, I'm not really looking at that at the moment. I am looking to buy. This isn't an uptrend. I can't really argue about that. It is a clear uptrend. And if I just take off all the noise except for one of those. Okay, so that's a zone that we're in. I'd like to see us hold that zone. Okay, the other thing that you have that's very clear here is a wedge. And your measured move on that can be one of two things, either there. Okay, so that's the one. And the other one would be from this area here. So if we look at where those two take us to, that one takes us just above the previous highs. And I wouldn't be surprised if that one takes us back to all-time highs. Well, just short, just onto the next bit of structure. So first level is pretty much back to where we were, underside of the gap. Next one is gap close and the underside of the top structure here. And yep, that's kind of more the play that I'm looking at the moment. So we'll wait for European Open today. We'll wait for some structure to form. So in other words, I want to see a bit of a pullback. I have two levels here that I'm looking at. First one we've already broken, which is 3248. So I'd like to see us get above and hold that for a long position. And the other one is 3237. or 3239 pretty much. Sorry, 3238 is the exact area before getting opportunity to buy. Okay, may not happen, may just continue up, find support here, and then continue moseying on to the upside. And that's kind of the play that I expect to happen at the moment. Okay, so anyway, I'm looking for longs, just looking for structure to buy off. Didn't really trade yesterday, although, looking at it here, there was a lot of buyers scaling, and you can see all these tails here. It would have been worthwhile taking a nibble yesterday. But, yeah, waiting for confirmation, and I think my confirmation will happen today, and that will give me the opportunity to get in. First target, the previous highs. Second target, the top gap close, and then 3 is that 66 or 3360. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.